Hi, my name is Jeremiah Mundo, and today we're making a Tarte Tatin. That's good, right? For peeling the apples, I'm going to be using 4 to 5 apples, and this is going to be Honeycrisp that we're using. I chose Honeycrisp because it really keeps its shape when you put it in the oven. It's not like the other apples that get soggy and then shrinks up. Okay, now that we're done peeling our apples, we're going to start off quartering our apples. The name actually comes from the Tatin sisters, who owned the hotel called the Tatin Hotel, and they invented this French delicacy called the Tarte Tatin for their hotel customers who wanted a French, nice, light delicacy. And that's how we got the Tarte Tatin. Thank you, the Tatin sisters. You're amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna start making the caramel for the Tarte Tatin. It's gonna be super easy. Let's get right to it. Okay, so now we got our sugar and we're about to make our caramel. So first we got our sugar and then we're gonna get our water. Okay, so now we got our sugar and our water. We're gonna stir it so we can make our caramel. We're gonna have it on medium-low heat. We're gonna stir it up. Make sure everything is incorporated. Make sure everything's good. Make sure everything's saturated. And we're just gonna kind of leave it alone and let it do its own thing. Now we're adding our butter. I left it out to melt for room temperature. So now we're gonna give it a little swirl. Look at that beauty. Doesn't that not look amazing?
Nice and golden.
Nice golden brown. You know what this kind of reminds me of? This reminds me of when they was making the thing in the Squid Game, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. All you need is a little baking soda now.
Right? We got our apples in here, and all we're gonna do is just give it a nice little stir. Turn it down on low.
Okay, I think you gotta leave it.
Be working on our crust. Okay, so now we rolled out our crust, and now we're gonna put our pan, cut it out. Right up. I'm gonna transfer the apples to the baking sheet so it all could look nice and make all the apples just look in a beautiful sequence. Shit. Okay, so now we're gonna be putting our beautiful crust that we made right on top. And
Now we're gonna get our spatula and just put it down.